It has been our tradition to celebrate excellence in digital media education every year since our inception in 1998. Over time, our anniversary celebrations have come to be associated with not just brilliant entertainment but compelling enrichment and loads of inspiration too. From statesmen such as Sri Rose Garu, the ex-Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and Sri Damodar Reddy Garu, ex-Minister for IT and Communications, Government of AP. From them to animation legend Vaibhav Kumaresh, Shirley Page from DreamWorks, and Srinivas Mohan of Robo fame, eminent university vice chancellors, corporate animation studios and VFX studios, several dignitaries and industry veterans have graced our celebrations year by year. No wonder then that Dilshuk Nagar Arena's anniversary celebrations are a landmark event in digital media industry. At this juncture, I would like to offer my profuse thanks and gratitude to Sri Lakshmi Garu for his support and encouragement to the digital media industry in the state of Andhra Pradesh. As the Honorable Minister for Information Technology and Communications, he has taken personal initiative to introduce a new IT policy under which they have planned to build a tower kind of thing which is called as Game City. It is going to be similar to high-tech city what we have today at Hyderabad. In fact, it is much bigger than that. In this regard, we met him along with our friends from the industry to offer our support in shaping the new IT policy and was delighted with his dynamism in ensuring government intervention to promote the industry. His proactive role in nurturing a critical sunrise sector such as digital media has the potential to radically alter the business landscapes in Andhra Pradesh and attract significant investments from large studios. This will result in better employment opportunities for all of you sitting here. I must thank Sri Lakshmi Garu for his stellar role in envisioning, strategizing and facilitating the Game City. And I can assure you that the industry in general and our academy in particular is up for a great time, great period ahead. Students stand to be the biggest beneficiaries as the resultant. Growth is likely to generate explosive demand for fresh and well-trained talent. And as always, Dilshuk Nagar Arena and its world-class training standards is ready to support the industry with prodigy talent. Our faculty team comprising expert trainers have been devoting all their energies to grooming industry-ready talent and they have played an instrumental role in our academy's exemplary success. And I can assure you that there is only one direction ahead of you. It is only up, up and up. Thank you and have a great day.